Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATEC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious or anything like that, but very, very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So certainly some updates here need to be done as there's a lot of eyeballs watching this one. First area of support that I would talk about and kind of that stands out to me is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $4.05. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $4.05, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the next breakout point comes into play at 365, and this is just based on the foundational rule and chart in which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So again, 405 and 365, two of those overall levels of support. Taking a big step way back and looking at things from the bigger picture. So this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. So I'll keyword being moving, as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 405 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As I talk through this and thought about it, it's totally pointless to talk about areas of resistance because they just don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here, just building higher bases. As long as the price keeps building higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps keep getting higher and higher, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and building higher lows and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.